In this video I am going to show how to set up FTP server in Windows 10. Step 1. At first create a folder where you want to keep the FTP file. Step 2. Then note your IPv4 address. We will use it later on. Step 3. Now go to Control Planner. Program and Feature. Turn Windows feature on or off. Select the checkbox, Internet Information Services. Then FTP Server. Also select FTP Extensibility and FTP Service. After select press OK. Step 4. Now go to Administrative Tools. Open Internet Information Services Manager. Then open FTP Authorization Rules. Add FTP site. Give a name. Mention the folder which we created in Step 1. Next. Write the IPv4 address here, which we noted in Step 2. Select No SSL. Next. Select Basic. Allow access to specified uses. Here my computer uses name is SENT. You have to use your computer username here. Finish. Step 5. Go to Windows Firewall. Allow app or feature through Windows Firewall. Change setting. Select FTP server. OK to complete. Then turn off Windows Firewall. Step 6. Go to Setting. Then Account Setting. Family and other people. Add other people. Give a name and password for login your FTP server. Next. It's almost complete. Again go to FTP authorization rule. Add allow rule. Specified users. Our username is FTP user. Tick the permission and press OK. Step 7. Right-click on your FTP folder, Properties. Security. Edit security. Add. Write FTP name. Press check name and OK. You can change the security. All complete. Our FTP server have created. Now we will see our FTP server. Type FTP:/ your IPv4 address. Username, FTP user. My password 123. This is my FTP homepage. If I put any file in my FTP folder, user can see it in the server. Thanks for watching.